In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import data into Excel. If you have data stored in a CSV/string file, importing it correctly can save you a lot of time. You do not need to manually copy and paste values. Instead, Excel can bring the data in and organize it for you. Today, we will use Excel's built-in import tool, so you can go from a raw file to a clean worksheet quickly. First, open the Excel workbook where you want the imported data to appear. Then, look at the top menu bar. You will see several tabs and options across the ribbon. Click Data on the top menu bar. This is the area of Excel that focuses on working with external information and transforming data. When you click Data, the ribbon will update and show tools related to importing, cleaning, and connecting to data sources. Next, within the Data section, find the area labeled Get and Transform Data. This section is designed to help you bring data into Excel from many different formats. In that area, select From Text/CSV. When you choose this, Excel prepares the import experience. It will let you select a file from your computer and then preview what the data will look like after importing. This preview step is important because it helps you confirm that Excel is interpreting the data correctly before you load it. Now in the browser window that appears, locate your file. Choose the CSV file you want to import. You should be able to recognize it by the file name and the location where it is stored. After you select the file, click Import. Excel will begin reading the file and preparing an import preview. This is the moment where Excel analyzes the columns, detects delimiters like commas, and determines how to structure the data. After you click Import, you will see a preview box. Take a moment to review what you see in the preview. The preview usually shows the first rows of your dataset arranged into columns. Look to confirm that each column is splitting correctly. For example, dates should appear in their own column, and text values should not be merged into a single column unexpectedly. If the preview looks correct, you can proceed. If anything looks off, you would typically adjust options in the preview. However, for this basic process, we will continue using the import settings as Excel suggests. Finally, at the bottom of the preview box, click Load. This step tells Excel to bring the data into your workbook. After you load it, you will see the imported data appear in an Excel worksheet or in the connected import output, depending on your Excel settings. You can then scroll through the sheet, check that the columns and rows are present, and use standard Excel tools like sorting, filtering, and formatting. To wrap up, you clicked Data to open the import tools, chose from Text/CSV to select your file type, selected your file and clicked Import to start the process, reviewed the preview to confirm the structure looks right, and then clicked Load to place the data into Excel. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.